Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we are doing a Throwback Thursday using the Dede Signature Lioness Heart palette. So if you want to see how we create this eye look with the palette, then let's go ahead and just jump on into it. Alright, you guys have already seen the intro, but we will be using the Dede Signature Lioness Heart for this Throwback Thursday. Which, if you don't know, she looks like this. Everything else that's on my face will be listed in the description box down below, as long as I remember to take photos of this and post them on Instagram. So what I want to do is I want to use these like taupey browns. I want to use this shimmer, and I'm probably going to use this on the inner corner. That's what I'm feeling. Originally, I was going to do a green look, but I'm feeling the browns. I want to see what those can do. I really like that if you look at this palette, they're in trios. So, like, we have the pinky purples, we have the taupey browns, the orangey reds, and the greens. Obviously, you can mix and match, but I like that the palette is set up in trios. I think that's very pretty. I'm going to prime with my NARS shadow stick in Adults Only because I'm trying to finish it. So we'll just slap that on. I've only used one other Dede Signature palette, and I loved the shimmers. But I did not enjoy, and also let me zoom you in here, but I did not enjoy the mattes in that palette, and I can't remember what the palette was called, but it was like a latte palette of sorts, if I can remember. If I'm a good YouTuber, I'll post a photo of what that palette looked like. We got it in an Ice Cream Beauty box forever ago. But loved the shimmers. They were gorgeous. I just didn't get along with the mattes in that palette. They were patchy. They didn't blend well on me. So I ended up decluttering that palette. So I'm hoping I like this palette better, because I hear people rant and rave and love Dede Signature. We have bottled coffee today, just vanilla, because we stopped at the gas station today. And we have a cat hair. So I'm going to start by going into Steady Grace, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to take a floofy brush. And I'm just gonna be gentle because I don't know how pigmented this shade is gonna be. Bonk. But I'm just gonna set, I mean, I don't need to set the shadow stick, it dries down, but I'm gonna put it where I put it. I don't have words this morning. I'm getting over being sick. I'm sure you can hear it. I love this color. It's like a cementy gray with like a hint of purple. This is pretty. Not pretty, pretty. I have an appointment today to go look at hearing aids. I got approved for, I think I'm just getting the one hearing aid. But I got approved. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm very nervous. I'm more nervous that I have to go by myself because Ian's at work. I think I'm going to leave that there for right this second. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go into Rooted Love, which is that darker shade. And this is one of them Jessup brushes, Kim. Kim knows who you are. Okay, it is darker. Let's take a poll. How many times am I gonna have to pause the video to blow my nose or wipe my nose or... Oh, this shade is stunning. These are gorgeous. Okay, I see why people love Dede Signature if, like, this is the quality, because these are gorgeous. I'm just working this into the crease. But yeah, I'll have to let you guys know. I don't know the process of getting hearing aids. I don't know how long it takes to, like, get them. I don't even know what kind I'm getting, because there are different kinds. So those are the two brushes I used. Do I want to pull in a different color on the lower lash line is the question. Because we could. Let me put the shimmer on the lid real quick. I want to see if it pulls, because I might put the pink on the lower lash line. I'm just throwing some NYX glitter glue on my eyeball. And then I'm going to take Protective Glow all over the lid. And I'm going to take this shade here, which is Tender Roar. That's going to go in the inner corner once we have the lower lash line done. I'm going to swatch them out. But I want this one all over the lid for sure. Because that goes with this color story 110%. Oh, that's stunning. Ooh. I think I'm actually going to take the pink and the purple on the lower lash line. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me grab... I'm going to grab another Jessup brush. This is... What are you called? A detailed shader. So I'm going to go into the purple. And I'm just going to line my lash line. About 2/3 of the way with the purple. And then take my floofy brush into the pink. And just blend that out. And take that inner corner shade. Almost flips a little green too. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. Oh, I think that's gorgeous. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera because I don't really have anything else to talk about. I'm gonna figure out a lip. The only other thing I have for my eyes is mascara, which this is the Sky High, Maybelline Sky High in black, in very black, excuse me. So I'm gonna put that on, put a lip on, do my other eye. I'll be right back for camera magic for you guys, so give me 1 second here. All right, there's the finished look. I put Gravedigger from Jeffree Star on the lips. I figured that complemented the grayish look to the eyes. And that is it. The hair is not doing hair things, but that is a-okay, I suppose. I really need a haircut, but that is neither here nor there. As I'm shedding, can't blame that one on Blazmer. That is me shedding. But yeah, that's gonna do it for my Throwback Thursday. I like this. This is a nice little palette. The mattes were nice. They were blendable. They were smooth and buttery. They were nice. The shimmers are shimmering and gorgeous. Now I just need to decide, am I going to keep this on for my doctor's appointment, or am I going to be a little baby and take my makeup off before I go? That's the big question. But for this is absolutely a keep. I'm very, very, very happy. This was nice. I can't wait to play around with the reds and oranges and the greens, because that'll be very exciting. But I'm happy I played around with half the palette at least. That made me extremely happy. So that is going to do it for today's Throwback Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have this palette, if you've busted it out. Do you like it? Do you like Dede Signature? I'd love all your comments, thoughts, questions down below. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.